Okay, Math 9. Let's get after it. We got a math short here on eliminating decimals. So just a few examples on how do we get rid of decimals. The good thing with decimals is they're a base 10 system. So the lowest common denominator is always either going to be 10, 100, 1,000, so on and so forth. Because the important thing is, remember, 0.1 is just 1 over 10. And 0.01 is 1 over 100. And 0.001 is 1 over 1,000. So our denominator is always going to be a multiple of 10. So let's look at what we have. Okay, this is going to be tenth, hundredth, hundredth. So we need to multiply everything by the lowest common multiple, which in this case will be 100. So just multiply everything by 100. It moves your decimal. So this becomes 20x, this becomes 3, and this becomes 23. So it just makes life a little bit easier, right? We don't have to deal with the decimals. And now we're back to our pretty basic question. 20x equals 20, divide by 20, divide by 20, x equals 1. So the hard part is getting rid of the decimals. Once that's done, you're kind of laughing, right? So look at the next one. We got hundreds, tens, and tens. So again, we got to multiply by 100, multiply by 100, multiply by 100. And now you get 2x plus 30 equals 50. And then minus 30 on both sides. 2x equals 20, divide both sides by 2, x equals 10. So identify what you need to multiply by, and then it's game on. So for the one on the left here, we have hundredths. So multiply by 100, multiply by 100, multiply by 100. In this case, we get 7x plus 4 equals 50. We're going to minus 4 from both sides. 7x equals 46, then divide both sides by 7. And we can't simplify this fraction, it's just 46 over 7. Enjoy that moment. We all love fractions. And now we look at the next one. We're multiplying by 100, by 100, and by 100. So this becomes 12x plus 13 equals negative 61. Watch the negative symbol, okay? Minus 13 from both sides. 12x equals negative 74. X equals negative 74 over 12 because we divide both sides by 12. We can simplify this fraction, divide everything here by 2, and we get negative 37 over 6, and we can't simplify that. So you're done. So getting rid of decimals is really, really straightforward. It's just, is it tens, hundreds, or thousands? Odds are you'll probably only ever see tens or hundreds. So just multiply by 100 or 10, whichever is the lowest common multiple. Fractions are a little bit trickier, but we've seen that. So keep on keeping on. You're doing great.